Hi everyone, welcome back to Kmum Vlogs, and today we have another unboxing that we're going to do, and I'm really excited to do this because we have the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yeah! Okay, so I'm very excited to do this, guys. I have this phone with me for 2 days now, but I never got a chance to do a video. So I said I want to make a video first before I open this and show it to you and open this phone with you guys so that makita natin siya ng sabay-sabay. And before we unbox this one, if you're new on this channel, please subscribe to my channel, Kmum Vlogs, and don't forget to like and hit the notification bell so meron kayong updates sa aking mga new videos. Alright, so let's start. As you can see, sealed pa siya. Nandyan pa yung kanyang plastic and still very new. I really want to get the gold color, but then sinabi sa akin ng Bell, where I get this phone is from Bell. Ito yung aming service dito. They said it will take a month to pre-order the gold and blue color because they're very in demand. So I said, ano ba yung color na available right away? And then they said the graphite. So I waited, I think, a week before I get this phone. And I got a call yesterday or the other day that my phone is already available. So there we go. This is 128 GB. Graphite color, iPhone 12 Pro Max. Yung box niya is medyo slim na compared dun sa mga old versions nila ng kanilang phone. And I believe because yung charger, or what you call that, yung pangsaksahan niya is hindi na siya kasali, is only the cable. Looks like black ang kanyang case, or slimmer than the usual iPhone box, and probably because of the charger or the socket, what do you call that, they only have the cable here. That's what I heard. So let's do it now. And again, same with MacBook Air, they have the little plastic here so you can just hold it and peel it, so you don't need any device to open or remove the plastic. So I'm opening it now. I'm removing it from the plastic, and oh my gosh, ayan na siya, guys. There's no tape or anything, so be careful when you're opening it kasi pwedeng mahawak nyo dito and then mabitawan nyo. Oh my god, we don't want that. We don't want that. So be careful with that kasi open siya agad-agad. Alright, so let's do it. In a 1, 2, 3. Wow! Oh gosh, ang ganda niya. Look at that. Stunning. It's so pretty. It doesn't look graphite to me. I feel like may pagka-blue siya. Ang ganda ng kanyang ano. Look at that. And then parang matte na shining at the same time. And then it's just so beautiful. Okay, so ayan na siya, guys. So you have to lift this little paper here so you can grab your phone from the box. And ang ganda niya. Grabe, nakikita niyo yung hintab. OA siya. Super nice. So let's remove it from the box. And this is, ang ganda niya. Grabe. Ang social. Ang social niya, di ba? See? flawless. Super nice. Ayan siya. So pretty. I was thinking to get the blue and then the gold. And this is my third choice, in graphite. If you watch my previous unboxing, my MacBook Air is in gold color. And I wanted to get the gold for my phone, but it will take a month to get the phone. So I said, okay, it's fine. I can't wait anymore. I need a new phone. So I got this graphite color. It's so nice. I don't know if you can see. Like parang matte ang kanyang pagka-gray. And yeah. And then sa box naman niya, you will get the charger, and like I can use it on my Mac Air because they have the same port like this one. So yung MacBook Air, ganito na rin yung kanyang charger, so I can connect it, make sure my iPhone or my MacBook is also fully charged. So yeah. And then the same thing, they also have the little manual here that says designed in California. So, and I believe they have a sticker. They have this pin, or what do you call this one? To remove your SIM card. So you use this one. Make sure to use this one so you don't damage your phone. And I believe they have a sticker. I don't know where. But I know they have a sticker, the Apple sticker. Let me just check. Because I watched another unboxing and nakita ko yung sticker. So dapat may sticker din to. There you go. I barely use yung mga binibigay nilang stickers whenever I get a new Apple products, but I still keep it, and I still have the boxes ng mga phones ko from way back. The first phone na binili ko na Apple is back in 2008, and I've been an Apple user ever since. Nalilito ako sa Android, hindi ko siya alam gamitin. Alright, going back to iPhone 12. And before we start setting up the new iPhone, I also got a casing from the store, which is like a credit that they give to new customers. Actually, the store is brand new, so they were giving away some freebies. Got this casing as a gift from the store, and I think this one cost $40. So it is antimicrobial. Okay, so it looks like this. This is crystal clear because I wanted to expose the color. So I need to buy yung sa front. So the brand of this casing is Blue Element. Ayan siya. Sabi niya, access to all pores, anti-scratch, sling protection, reinforced corners, and calyx is here beside me. Hi, baby, come here. He just woke up. Alright, baby, I'm just gonna finish this quickly. So yes, we have this casing here. And I still have to get yung front. Lagi ko nilalagyan yung phone ko ng ganong cover just to make sure I will not have a scratch on it. Kaya yung phone ko na iPhone XS Max, talagang wala pa yung scratch or anything. So I might go get that, have it, you know, protected. So let's put this for now, yung kanyang case. So ayan, medyo secured na siya. Hindi na tayo matatakot na, you know, like hawakan to and then use it like how we use our phone every day kasi super bago pa niya. Alright, so I'm gonna turn it on. Tama ba? Oh, dapat pala hindi ko pa siya nilagyan because I have to put my SIM card. Pero anyway, so let's turn it on. Paano ba ito i-turn on? Dito sa side. Yay! There you go. Hi, Kelly. So there you go, guys. And yan na yung Apple logo niya. And I think, yeah, it's gonna say the same usual setup that we do on our new phone. Hello, my baby Kelly. Alex will help you to unbox this phone. And he just woke up. So say hi, baby. Hi! Say hi. Hi! I can set up the phone manually because my other phone is actually recording this video. So, hindi ko siya masi-set up. Yung lalagay mo yung phone mo, yung old phone mo near sa new phone, and it will, you know, like upload or do all the settings for you. No, baby.
Set up manually. I'm gonna choose my network when home. I'll use my Wi-Fi here. Oh wow, ang ganda niya.
It may take a few minutes to activate your phone. I have to remove my glasses para ma-set up ko yung Face ID. Second Face ID scan completed. Alright, so I just entered my Apple ID and my credentials here, and it's just setting up everything. It may take a few minutes to set up your Apple ID. So I think that's pretty much it. If you wanna see yung home screen, we have to wait a little bit. Tignan natin kung anong itsura ng home screen ng iPhone 12 Pro Max. So I think ito yung pinakamalaki nilang phone. Appearance, it can be light and dark. So let's choose light. Display zoom standard. Meron na siyang ganyan. So, welcome to iPhone! Ayan. Swipe up to get started. No SIM card install. Okay. Yeah, because I need to put my SIM card. So, there you go, guys. Yung kanyang home screen is same sa aking MacBook. And there you have it. That's the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. I know a lot of you guys are excited. Some of you are waiting for your phone kasi naka-pre-order pa siya. And I was happy that I got my phone right away. And medyo na-compromise ko yung color niya, but it's okay. I'm fine with it. There you have it, guys. Thank you for watching our unboxing today with the new iPhone 12 Pro Max. And please don't forget to like this video and share and subscribe on my channel, Kmum Vlogs. And I will see you again next time. Bye!